Hello friends, today's video is quite interesting. So today's video we'll see how to hard reset the Samsung phone. So if you have a phone and you don't know your password, you have forgotten your password, then this video is for you. But make sure you have taken a backup before doing this because this will factory reset the phone. So to do that, first you have to keep press the power button and the volume button at the same time, volume down one. Then once you press it together, then you will see the light will go away and immediately you will switch your volume down button to the volume up button while pressing the power button together. And after that, the Samsung logo will come up and then you will release the finger from power button, keep pressing the volume up button. So we'll see how to do that. So let's start. So power button and the volume down button together until the light goes away. Then to the volume up button. Release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. Then you will go to the Android recovery mode. Then you can go up and down with the volume down and up button. Then here you can go to the wipe data or factory reset. You can check other options as well based on your needs. But here we're gonna reset the phone. So click on the power button. Then go to the factory data reset. Click yes. Then it will wipe your data. Data wipe complete on the down. You can see here. Now you can reboot your system. So go on the top and click yes with the power button. So finally the phone has been rebooted and it has been reset to the factory reset state. So now you can act like a new phone and you can start and set up the phone. Hope you like this content. If you have found the video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. So if you do that, it will give me a motivation to make such videos for you guys in the future. Till then, bye, take care.